Hey everyone, Leigh here from Martinuzzi Property Group with EXP Australia. Very proud to be presenting this home to you today at 47 Paynters Pocket Avenue here in the heart of Palmwoods. You've got the local school there, family-friendly area and a beautiful, well-kept family home. Heart of the Sunshine Coast, guys. You're going to love this one. Let's go and have a look. So there you have it, 47 Paynters Pocket Avenue here in Palmwoods. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. You've got a double lock-up garage, fully fenced yard with side access, very suitable for a boat or caravan. Plenty of yard here for the kids or pets. Guys, this one is in a very good location here on the Sunshine Coast. You're gonna love it. Come along, have a look at it, and let's discuss your next home. Here at MPG, we're here to help you live more fully, have more meaning, and find more joy. We'll see you soon.